Hello, what is up? In this video, we are going to briefly discuss how to apply to be a Temu delivery driver. Now, Temu delivery drivers are just like any other drivers, UPS, Amazon, if you're in the US, or other couriers in every country in the world. So, as you can see here, we are at the Temu website, temu.com/careers. So, as you can see here, there's no really delivery driver, there's senior tax analyst, user research, and account manager. I do know for a fact that they used to put some here, but as you can see here, these aren't really drivers. And if you go to this LinkedIn article, this is very informative, right? This is a who delivers Temu packages. This was earlier this month, so if you want to check this out, this is by a guy named Sebastian Monutali, Money Transfers, Entrepreneurship, Banking, and Finance. So basically, who delivers Temu packages? USPS in the US, UPS, of course, FedEx, DHL, China Post for international shipping. So this is for somebody who's US based, right? And it says here, Temu delivery driver. Temu does not have its own fleet of delivery drivers. They primarily partner with established shipping carriers to handle the delivery process, which means in any country that Temu is available in, US, Australia, anywhere in the world, right? They don't have their own fleet of couriers. They work with shipment or courier companies in whatever country they're at. So whether it's FedEx, UPS, USPS, DHL, whatever. So how do you become one? You become a driver for a courier service. So whether it's FedEx, UPS, USPS, DHL, or whatever primary courier your country has. So how do you do that? You just type in delivery driver job. So just typing it on Google. As you can see here, I could already see this delivery driver. So the best way to optimize your search is delivery driver jobs near me, right? So to do that, as you can see here, there's 100 plus more. Click on that. I will have options here, and you just need to sift through a lot because there are a lot of delivery driver openings. Another way to do this is delivery driver jobs Australia, for example, right? And here you're gonna have options Indeed, LinkedIn. So you just need to. It's a lot of work, but you're gonna get there. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.